In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the ad blocker in Google Chrome. Whether you're troubleshooting, trying to view ad-supported content, or simply want to get a site experience as intended, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. You should see 3 vertical dots arranged in a column. This is commonly referred to as the More menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you've clicked those 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new window where you'll be able to control various options and configurations related to your browsing experience. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, you will see a sidebar with several options. You'll want to select Privacy and Security from these options. This section controls a host of settings related to how Chrome handles your data and interacts with websites. After you've navigated to the Privacy and Security section, you'll then need to find and click on Site Settings. This will lead you to a page with a detailed list of permissions and site-specific settings. Once there, scroll down to the section labeled Additional Content Settings. Click on it to expand and reveal further options. This area allows you to manage more specialized settings, like ads, JavaScript, and more. From the list that appears, you should now select Ads. This is where you can configure how ads are displayed on the websites you visit. After clicking Ads, you'll be presented with a couple of options regarding how ads are handled. Here, you need to select any site you visit can show any ad to you. Choosing this setting allows all websites to display ads without restrictions from built-in ad blockers. Now, if you have a third-party ad blocker extension installed in Chrome, we need to address that too. So, look for a small puzzle piece icon representing extensions, also located in the top right corner of your browser. Clicking it will show the list of all currently enabled extensions. Find the ad blocker extension from this list. Once you've located it, click the 3 dots next to the extension's name. This will give you a small menu where you'll want to select Manage Extension. Within this management area, you can turn the ad blocker off by toggling the switch next to the extension's name. And there you have it, your ad blocker in Google Chrome is now disabled. By following these steps, you ensure that ads are displayed as intended by the websites you visit, giving you a fuller web experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful.